so.
Where's the daddy? Where's the
People
daddy?
gonna get. This is so unfair.
You getting KFC?
Look what the boy do.
Stop embarrassing child. Stop
I'm
embarrassing
gonna
me,
sleep
child.
on top of it. Get up. Oi, wake up. What is
Stop
it?
embarrassing me, child.
Wake up. He's a nasty boy. Me, I'm gonna feel water you clean.
No. Come. They get it this morning, you know, I take no more.
Jesus. What me do, sir? When your mother keep you playing something, that's when I might turn. Alright, come your bowl have to go clean. From my hand up, me set the plate. And I'll be Jesus. How would I remember myself on the mind? No going good? Oh. Jesus. Lee, what's that about to It's not work. Lee, what's that about to Papi? No, it's not so. You can't run sit down on camera. Are your mother, brother? Are your mother? She's not helping me. Hold on.
Me get my dose this morning.
How you do it, no me? So, how's it look? Tap no create no butter smoke in my place. Roll over a little bit. It's all your clothes mess up, papi. B, how does that take off? Can you hear now? How do you handle it, man? I have to go bed. Brother, you have to go bed. You have to go bed. I don't want to do it. Are you?
You know how to do it.
You will learn now, so I'm sure you have more of my head now because you're not here. The wife's are done. We're on next spot. Hey, papi, don't move. Me go. Up here, there. Look on him, Kanza. Look on him back. See, you will up us up. Me God Almighty, so that be so far. You will and you're gonna so Kanza. This is funny, I'm not funny again. Look at this. Look, B. Come get the man for a fitness hour. Papi, you see.
Okay. So. I'm gonna look. Alright. So, Jerome. Okay, so Jerome has been in absolute need. When you say need, we mean need of a. And he purchased one. And it was supposed to come. I hope you hear me now. No hope you hear me. It was supposed to come next week, Wednesday or Tuesday or something. But it came today, which is Thursday. But it's supposed to come next week, then time here. Me hope you hear me. It's here. The phone case come a while ago and you see it. And he opened it and he created one piece of excitement over the case. So me like, then if I the case I go and about suppose that the phone did come. And he might laugh. But now I'm going to tell him that the phone is actually here right now. Watch what happens. Me open her ear, me God know because I don't want to talk too loud because in the outside of the door right so I will promise to open the door and tell him what is surprise. So I'm going to hide it behind this tablet. I just said. So me probably the phone behind the tablet, so me I'll call it now.
It's just me today.
Tell us quickly what you think it is. The news is.
Eh?
Tell us quickly what you
Me
think
no
the
know
news is.
That's just me, man.
Just tell me now.
Me no know. You buy some?
No, I didn't.
Somebody buy something?
Tell us what you think it might
I
be.
have no idea, babe.
Just a wild guess.
Yes, it's something about job related.
No, me say maybe 5%.
Something for use a job?
5%.
No.
Hard. Let me.
Yeah, that's just me.
Me a tap it now.
Alright.
Me a go in here, open the door and come.
Let me carry you.
No. Come. Come and shut the door. Shut the door. Come now. Come.
That's just me, baby. Oh, you're about to live?
What me that look? Here by the big door.
That's crazy. That's just me with my idea. What on me? Is something to come from Amazon?
Hmm?
Is something to come from Amazon?
What?
Let me add
What?
the phone.
Me don't know.
B. So lovely. I'm one British as a bread doing.
Last time I said, I know me do it.
Don't touch me, move. I hate you.
Can you say if I something sudden or something me that work on and I say neither.
Am I one purchase? Or my own money buy? This is so embarrassing. I know. You can't surprise me again, babe. This is not no surprise. Move.
Oh good.
People, this is not nice, babe. My money buy my something from my son. And you're going to tell me you have surprise for me. I can't foolishness. How much money buy it?
But it is a surprise you
No.
weren't expecting it
If you
till
come next week, but I'm me buy it
Exactly.
and I expect me something.
So the surprise is that it come today.
People, Carissa tell me that she has surprised me in her skin to tell me what be, tell me what I'm gonna like then something like I'm suspense, I go up. And someone must come out of her room, she go surprise me. Spencer, I wonder when, I wonder who. Me, a woman want surprise.
No.
It's just no surprise.
It's a surprise you get it early.
Early one, me buy me something, I'm expecting to come.
Like if you come next
Come
week.
and say, no, you buy me phone to me, can go cancel me, Amazon order.
My friend.
And take out the money. Me vex. Maybe you're upset. Me kind of vex, man. Come and say, no, I cancel my Amazon order and take my money.
So we are going to see other phone.
Because you buy a phone to me instead. Stress me out. Miss Karen, you come to today? Miss Karen, get you today?
And I hear she say if you see something will come.
Are you telling a bitch? You're telling a bitch? You say you? So you coming on package or anything?
Just one regular bag.
So look at the baby awake, yeah? You see you? Take your camera on my face. Bye.
Yeah, I know.
Fully hype.
Eh?
You need to apologize though.
The baby I laugh after it.
No, how?
You
Your mother is not nice, bro.
Nah.
Tell you so.
gonna?
What you want me to do? Leave me alone. You see, I surprise me right now. If you go buy me my phone, I'm going to let me send back this.
Pumpkin Junkin, we surprised that.
Tell that one part, I don't have a laptop connected. Come on, laptop is the people. I said I have a laptop
Me
connected.
no want my laptop too.
No, me
It
want
only want a
bad.
laptop.
Me want that deplorable condition. If I say if you want to think of Ukraine, it come from. It's terrible. So me sound for what am I gonna say?
That say hello in a different language then.
Oh. People use the iPhone. People like iPhone 6 when I come from here.
Show
And I'm
them
buy
it,
it
show them it
language.
right there.
My iPhone 6 faithful. Right there. We carry it there.
It did there.
Okay, Chris. Never take off your case.
Shambles.
But it's a nice phone. It has been very faithful. If you use it and it starts stuck, you have to lock your screen, rub it on your
Beat it
shirt,
up.
and then you turn it on and it work. Then if you turn it on for like too long, you lock your screen again, rub it up, turn it on, and it go again. You don't use Wi-Fi. Or it rarely use Wi-Fi. You understand? Yeah.
Okay, step up now, you're upgrade. Wanna know your miracle?
It's about no babe, I can't talk to her. Just like avoid me, please. But you need to make me upgrade this and get to Max Pro, you know. Because I understand you. It's very rude. What if my one or something and surprise me with it? That's easy. It's like I said, let me a car key. I can go drive with and go watch them camera and say, hey, surprise! You know
They're
that.
not surprised.
Take out this one plastic. Shouldn't take out the plastic yet.
Guys, no. Oh, enough. This just somebody have been a car. Camera the pan making that create excitement, you know.
I'm not creating no certain people. The Max Pro money, the Z.
Because you know, look, make him a go on, so.
No.
Like he humble.
I am humble, babe. I'm very humble.
So, oh, yeah, that go on so over the case alone.
Me just like, it look, it does have a little buzz.
You find your big case and a buzz.
Kiss of a buzz, like in spray paint to do. It has a little buzz. It don't look bad, no. This actually don't look bad. I was expecting to have a little more oomph than this, but as it is right now, it's not really bad, like, honestly. Hold on, we put on the part of us. Where's my one? My one.
You don't know? What do you mean you want to what? You know what's a red funny something? Why?
People may have some things to tell me here.
Like what?
No, I'm not telling you because if we use the power of force. You can't tell me.
Why?
I'm not telling me. After I pull the stunt, later I'll be update to the past something more.
I saw this there?
Yeah.
You're not easy.
Oh my god.
I want to put again.
It means I'm telling people I'm in London, you know.
You're cool.
You got me up?
No, I'm not cut you off.
Yes, man. I did remember to tell you guys. But I'm actually I'm in London, England, okay?
I want.
So I just come with my wife just to get some things
I want.
before I head back home. I have a lot of things to tell you guys, but when I sit down and I get comfy, right now, we're heading into Bashko. Don't show them where. Heading into Bashko.
Bashko this?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's some stress.
What's stress you out?
Stress me out.
What's stress you out?
Stress me out.
Stress no stress out nobody. Ooh, Jesus, man, I'm dropping it.
Oh, Jesus. People. Let me stand. Babe, just stand.
Yeah, brother.
Just stand.
Do you have accessories?
Uncle?
Silver, I'll go.